is this? I do no experiment. Only call principal if an emergency. Okay, and what's this computer over here? Some kind of programming. Oh, I see what's going on. I was meant to TP out of here. Jeff, you look pretty, small. Hey, what's up, principal? Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, so, Jeff turned himself into a baby so he can't teach anymore. Yeah. Uh-huh. Hey, no! Yeah, we need a new teacher. Yeah. Well, my name's Bob. Oh, okay, Bob. The teacher. I run this house. Jeff, you don't run anything. Come back here. Jeff, don't be a baby. Come on. Don't be a big baby. Go. I'm normal now. Oh, God. Oh, bongo, bongo, bongo. Please. Oh, come here, Bob. Oh, God, what just happened? Up, and Bob's being chased by a giant baby. Welcome to another day of MooseCraft.
Okay, whoa.
What's that? Wait, what was that? Huh? I heard something different. All right, so anyways, guys, it's good to be back with another day of Daycare with some steak and some moose smoke and Cyclone,
yo,
what's up?
Bro,
Hey.
who's this Cyclone? Yo, who are you, bro? Yo, I'm not Cyclone,
hold on,
bro. My name is Chad.
Wait a time for a second. Just give me a second. Jeff, guess who's back?
Bro, he's a weird one. What?
What's going on out there? Jeff, did you see Cyclone over there? Did you have like a problem with Cyclone, bro? Who? Cyclops, the one-eyed guy. Who that?
Yo, what's going on in here? Yo, kids, what's up, bro?
Different?
Yo, what's up, bro?
Jeff, what did you do to Cyclops this time, man? You turned him into a dragon last time.
What?
Oh, heck no. Oh, hey.
Bro, who's this Cyclops guy? My
name's
name's Chad.
Oh,
no,
cop.
no.
Jeff, you can't do this. You can't do this. You can't. Oh, my God.
Cyclone, you want to swing first? Let's go. I gotta take this from you,
What are you doing? Why are you wearing some kind of a weird outfit? I can see that you're Cyclone, obviously.
My name is Bro, my name is Chad. What do you mean, bro?
Who's that? This is my friend Cyclops. Bro. We call him, I mean, his name is Cyclone, but we call him Cyclops. He's just pretty much a really weird dude that no one really likes, you know? Yeah, I'm just kidding. We love him.
You smell bad. Oh, I'm dead.
Wait, Chad was shot by Jeff. Wait, Chad, hey, chill.
This is my skull now.
His name's Chad. Hey, Chad. Yeah,
my name's Chad, bro.
What are you doing here first? This is Daycare.
What do you mean?
Oh, Jeff's working out hardcore.
Bro, I'm new here. What
Jeff,
do you mean?
did you invite a Chad to Daycare? Huh? He's not.
Hey, what's your name?
No. Yeah, so what are you doing here, Chad?
What do you mean?
How'd you hear about this place? Hi. Chad! Huh?
I don't know, just...
Do you think you're tougher than me, Chad? What, Chad? You want to go, bro? What, bro? You want to have a moose off?
I'm
bro. I lift a lot of weights. You know, I bench like 220, bro. Oh! Sorry, that was the... I want to go. Fight. Okay, listen. Can we figure this out? Chad, what are you... No. That's definitely Cyclone. Cyclone, stop messing around. I got you. Back in. Running. Hey. Cyclone, is that you?
Sorry. No, bro, this is Chad. I don't know who Cyclone is, bro.
God, that's like so cool. Guys, stay out of this. Let me talk to my friend over here. I think he's having some kind of personality disorder.
Bro, step off.
Hey, Cyclone,
why are you annoying Skylar, bro? Why are you annoying Skylar? Dude, just leave her alone, you know?
What is going on? You can just walk in here on a motorcycle, looking like a kid, and then be wearing some kind of leather jacket with a tie and a suit and glasses.
Bro, see, I'm just cool, all right? Like
you're not that cool at all. You kind of.
Bro, dude, swing fast, bro. Swing fast.
You want to go? Don't fight with me. I didn't do anything to you. Leave me alone.
Yeah, this is my Daycare now. Both of you leave.
Fight. So cool. Skylar, are you really falling for this guy right now? Are you kidding me right now? This dude over here, the dude with the glasses. Well,
my name's Chad. At least
why do you need glasses? You're inside. Well, is this really happening right now? Chad, what are you doing here? Can you please give me an answer? First of all, you about to lose your girl to one-eyed robot.
Wait, who's this robot, bro? What? Bro, I have like two eyes. Like,
have you ever met my friend named Cyclone?
No. Who? What?
What are you? Hold on. Hold on. I feel like you've met Cyclone.
No, bro, I don't know. I gotta go to the toilet, bro.
Chad.
I gotta go take a really intense dump, you know.
Okay. All right. So cool. Oh my God, Skylar, are you serious right now? Dude, that guy, he's like, do you see this dude? He walks around with glasses inside a leather jacket thinking he's all cool and tough and trying to fight everybody and acting like he's a jock or something and lifting a lot of weights. I just like that kind of thing. What are you talking about? I like this dude. I guess serious right now? Jeff, you just gotta do a fight with him. He's like, what a dumb dude. All right, Chad, listen here, okay? We should keep him around. No, I don't want to keep him around. Let's get rid of him. First of all, he ain't Chad. That's Cyclops acting like he's some other person.
Hey, bro, why are you talking about me like that,
He's
bro?
better than the annoying Cyclops I usually have to experiment on. Chad, I'm talking, or Cyclops, I'm talking about you, man. All right?
Bro,
you come around here acting like you're somebody else.
Who's the Cyclops?
Thinking
Bro,
you're gonna
bro,
clean
who's the
slate. Hey,
Cyclops?
take my girl. I mean, take the person I know. I did not say that. What? Nothing. I did not say anything at all. I am not associated with you at all. You can take Musita. I don't think anybody wants Musita. What are you doing, Chad? Chad, stop trying to pick a fight with someone you can't. What, bro? What? Yeah, bro. I'm always choosing someone this one, bro. What?
Wait. This is gonna know it. Wait. Okay. Skylar. Choose.
What was that?
Choose. Who do you...
Huh?
Decide. Who do you like better? Go. Oh. Rock, paper.
Rock, paper, scissors for the girl.
I'm not good at...
Rock. Okay, I got you. I got this. I've been training for this for a very long time.
Can I be given a rock, paper, and some scissors, please?
Hold on. No. Let me get warmed up for the rock, paper, scissors. I'm trying to communicate through my face. Okay, hold on. I got this. Just give me a second. I also gotta drop a dump, bro. Okay?
Oh, bro, yeah, respect that, bro.
Yeah, bro, exactly, man. Yeah, you know, it's cool stuff, right?
Yeah.
This guy, I can't stand him. You know what? I'm gonna show him what we talk about here with rock, paper, scissors, and shoes, okay? All right, here we go. Okay, I call this the rock, paper, kaboom. All right. I can understand this. All right, yo, that was a pretty cool dump, bro. Yeah, bro.
Bro.
I play football, too, also, yeah.
Yo, you play football, bro? That's so cool.
Yeah, you know what the coolest one is?
What?
He's really thick sometimes. He eats a lot of donuts. You know what the coolest one is, though, bro? Dude.
Yeah, bro.
Volleyball.
Yeah, bro. I love me some volleyball on the beach.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Totally.
Yeah. Bro, you okay, bro?
Not really. I got problems. Your butt's so cool. Yeah. I'm super cool, right? You know, I've been lifting recently, and I gotta say, it's
hey, bro. Look into my eyes. Look.
What? I'm 5'12", just so you know. I'm not 6 foot. I'm 5'12". I'm one of a kind. Yeah.
Bro, I'm sorry, dude. I hadn't meant to.
Oh, Jeff, you're flat. Kind of like the Earth. Earth is flat, right? Just to make sure it's flat.
Bro, the Earth is flat, bro.
If the Earth is not flat, then why are cars not flat? I'm sorry. I'm confusing people. As you've been listening in class, or not this. Oh, God, you've been teaching us this? Okay, how about that? A really intense rock, paper, scissors, shoe. All right, bro? How about that? Sounds good, man?
Okay, bro. Yeah, bro.
All right, rock, paper.
I don't have any.
Breakfast! I think I won. Excuse me. Oh, he's gone. Wow. That legit worked. What's this? Wait, what? Loser, in here. I won, though. What are you talking about? Chad, get back here and clean this up. Are you talking to me? Ah, you can't talk to me like that. Hey, you know, you're not the boss of me, and I don't even like you. You're lame, dude. You're not even cool, bro. You didn't even play basketball, bro. What, bro? Cheerlead, bro. Fuck.
Hey, bro.
What's up, bro? How you doing, man? Yeah, sorry about that.
Did I win? I don't remember what happened. Did I?
Listen, man. I don't know. You know what, dude? Yo, I got an idea, bro. Yo, why don't we just both be, like, really cool, like, dudes and, like, completely, ignore Skylar and Jeff and do our own thing, bro.
Bro, let's do it, bro. Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it, bro. Yeah. Football, yeah. Bench press 220 and curl 100 pounds. Oh, only one knows, Skylar. We're not even interested, right? Yo, tell him. Tell him, Chad.
Bro, I mean, well,
Bro, don't let a girl get in your way,
There's a
bro.
lot with
Come
me,
on.
bro. There's a lot with me, bro.
Bro, come on, bro. You serious right now? They're your best friends, bro.
Bro, you trying to step up, bro? Bro,
What are you trying to say? You want to step up, bro? Bro, you know what? Ever since you got a girlfriend, it's been a problem, bro.
Bro.
You know what? What's that? What is that? Up?
Oh no, bro! Bro, I'm falling for
Bro, what, bro? You fall for the trap, bro. That's how it happens, bro. Bro. How about that, bro? Yeah, listen to me now, bro. Huh? You can't. Oh, where'd he go? Wait. Hello? Bro. What, bro?
Oh, bro, what's up, bro? Bro.
You look big, bro. You been working out recently?
Bro, I've been like lifting weights, bro. Yeah.
Awesome, bro. Jeff,
Bro.
how about you, man? You're missing a leg. Oh, I know you got 2 legs. You're very small legs.
Hey, bro, come over here. I wanna tell you something. Bro.
Skylar, we talked about this. No.
Hey, don't scream
What,
Scott
bro?
like that, bro.
Dude,
bro.
I'm talking to Scott, bro.
Bro.
She's causing a scene here.
It's okay, bro.
Fight.
Follow me, bro. Bro.
Okay, let's go, bro. Let's go. What's up, bro? What?
Okay.
Dude, I ate tacos this morning and I have to really take a dump. Like, it's bad.
Bro.
I also mixed it with like 20 protein shakes.
Bro,
you know?
look into my eyes, bro. Look into my eyes.
I'm looking into your eyes, bro.
It's
What?
just a prank, bro. It's just a prank.
No!
It's just a prank, bro.
No!
It's just a prank, bro.
No way!
Hey, dude, I got you.
That was good. That was really
real
good. I gotta
love.
say, that was.
Yeah.
Really good, bro. Up.
Hi.
Hello, is anyone? Hello?
Hi.
Hey, what's up, bro?
It was just a prank, bro. Hi. Hi.
Are you pranking me again, bro? I'm not about to
Yeah,
get double pranked, bro. Hey,
do
bro,
you mean?
I'm not making a
Yeah,
double
right,
prank,
bro.
bro. I wasn't pranking you at all. Yeah, I've been really, like, getting super fit and stuff, and I'm huge. Oh!
Moose, what are you doing, bro? Are you good?
What?
Take chill pill. Why are you so hyped all of a sudden, dude?
Because I'm
Why are you so
always
hyped?
hyped.
No, Moose.
It's the
Moose.
Moose, bro.
Moose.
What?
Let me
Oh,
go.
come here. I'm gonna eat you for some breakfast, bro. I'm like the Hulk, bro. I'm in the Avengers. Yeah.
No, stop. I'll give you some moves.
What?
I'll subscribe.
What?
I'll subscribe and tell me
Subscribe and suck the bell. Yeah.
Slap the bell. I'll slap the
And
bell.
Twitter and Instagram. Plug it.
No.
Plug it. I said to plug it. I'm sorry. I don't know what happened there. I'll see you on tomorrow with a brand new video of Daycare. We're bringing back my boy Cyclops. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Leave a like and watch support. Yeah.